Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you how to check GPU temperature on Windows 11 laptops. I'm using Dell Precision 7740 and there is multiple ways to check your GPU temperature, and the easiest way is that go to Start menu, then search about task, then you can see option of Task Manager, open that, then you can get this window, and there is the left side you can see there is multiple tabs. First one is process, second one is performance. Click on performance, then you can see GPU memory disk 0, GPU 0 and GPU 10. So GPU 0 normally internal memory and GPU 1 is the dedicated graphics card. Then you can click here to check GPU temperature. So you can see here currently it is 48 degrees Celsius on my GPU temperature. So in this way you can easily identify the current situation of your GPU. Currently utilization is 72% and temperature is 48 degree, and now it is 47 degree. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Mac or Windows tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays on this video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.